Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a little bit of a new in beauty and makeup haul for you, so let's dive straight into it. Okay, so to kick this off, Makeup Revolution have reformulated their Flawless Foils collection and they've sent me some over. The shades look absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to try these. So each little box contains the Flawless Foil eyeshadow and the intensifying primer as well. So I guess that you could use this with the primer and have like a really foiled look, or you could just wear it on its own and have a slightly shimmery look. I don't know because I haven't tried these, but I'm super excited to. This one is in the shade Rival and it looks like my favourite shade out of all of these, to be honest. It's a really nice rose goldy sort of shade and I'm just really into it. I like shades like that, they bring out my green eyes. We also have the shade Rose Gold, which is super pretty. Oh, we've got Unicorn Foil. I absolutely love the name of that. This lovely brown shade is called Overcome and it's got like gold reflects in. It looks super pretty. Then there's this gorgeous coppery gold shade called Conflict. Oh, I really like this one. This one's called Rebound. This is just a gorgeous neutral shade. I want to try this out so much. It looks so pretty. And I've got this super pretty green shade called Retreat. I don't usually wear green shades because I have a yellow skin tone, so they quite often don't suit me, but I will definitely give this a try because it looks super pretty. Okay guys, I can't even express to you how excited I am about this next thing that I'm about to show you. Basically, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you will remember that last year, I think it was in August or July, anyway, during the summer I was absolutely loving the Clean Reserve Warm Cotton fragrance and I still love it. It's just absolutely beautiful. I also love them as a brand. They're really eco-conscious, they're vegan, they're cruelty-free, they use all sustainable ingredients and they're just pretty damn cool. So anyway, they've recently launched their Avant Garden collection, which I was just so excited about. I was actually invited to the launch dinner and I couldn't go, which I was so sad about because I would have loved to be there. But anyway, they very kindly sent me over one of their fragrances from the collection. This one is called Mugway, I think that's how you pronounce it, and Skin. So Skin is one of their fragrances from their permanent collection anyway. And a couple of the fragrances in this collection, they're all garden based obviously. So they've got floral notes and kind of green notes. And notes that you wouldn't expect in fragrances like moss, but something about that just really excites me. I haven't actually tried the one with moss in it. I don't remember the full name of it. Anyway, I'll link the collection down below so you can go and check it out if you're interested. But this, guys, by the way, I absolutely love the outer packaging. It's just so nice, so simple, but also really pretty as well. I really like it. It's a bit different for me. It's kind of, I don't really know how to describe it. It's definitely floral and it's definitely woody. I might as well just read the box. It says that it's crafted with sustainable notes of cardamom, jasmine, clear wood and patchouli. You can definitely smell the patchouli in this, which I personally really like. I'm a bit of a hippie and I just really like that scent. I just find it really kind of homely. I'm not usually into sweeter scents and this is sweet, but it's kind of got that woody, earthy note to it, so it's not really sickly or anything like that. I've worn this a couple of times since I've got it and I just absolutely love it. Their fragrances are so unique. I would definitely recommend checking them out. They're sold in Space NK and this is free from artificial dyes and preservatives and any nasties, and I just love that about this brand. They're the kind of scent that you'll smell on someone and think, ooh, that smells lovely, but I don't know what they're wearing, and I love that about this brand. Next up, I have this 100% coconut oil daily hydration shampoo and conditioner from Shea Moisture. I have used the coconut water infusion shampoo and conditioner from this brand and I loved it. These are new, but I tried them out for the first time last night and I love them, guys. They're so moisturizing. If you've got a dry scalp or dry hair, which I don't have, so I probably won't use these every single time I shampoo my hair, just because when I do that it tends to get a little bit greasy because I just don't need all that hydration. But I did use heat like 3 times on my hair last week, so it was in a little bit of need of some hydration and this definitely delivered it. I was super impressed. The scent is really lovely as well. It's just a really nice, delicate coconut scent. It's not too overpowering or anything, and this is another brand that doesn't contain any parabens, sulfates. They don't contain mineral oil, paraffin, synthetic colour, petrolatum. It's basically just all good stuff, and these contain 100% coconut oil and shea butter and coconut milk, and they're just amazing. So good, would definitely recommend. They're also a really great price. Next up, I have this rechargeable makeup brush cleaner from Neobit. Now this is not something that I've ever thought of trying before, but I really like the idea of it. So in this box you get the actual brush cleaner, which is this thing here. You get the charger for it, which is handy because it doesn't contain batteries that you have to change yourself. And also you get these little, what are they called? There's basically an instruction booklet in here which tells you how to use this, how to put it together and everything. It's really easy to understand. But these are called collars, these little rubber tubes that you put your brush in, and there's all different sizes in here for different brush sizes. So I've stuck my brush in there, and basically you get this bowl with it, and what you do is you fill it halfway with your cleansing solution. So I usually use either an actual brush cleaner, or sometimes I'll just use a gentle baby shampoo. So what you do is, when this is half full, you would just dip your brush in and like push it down onto the bottom of the bowl a couple of times, just to kind of get the solution into the brush and also to spread the bristles a little bit. And then what you do is, I'm going to show you this out of the bowl so you can properly see it, but you hold down the power button and watch this, guys. Have you seen that? All of the bristles splay. So you're not supposed to do this when it's dry, but I'm doing it for the purposes of showing you. You basically do that. That's the soft setting. You can press it again for a stronger setting, and then you just hold it down to turn it off. How cool is that? I'm super intrigued by this. And then once you've done washing your brush, you would just kind of pull it out of the liquid but still in the bowl, and to dry it you would just do a few seconds of the spinning again. I just think that that is a genius idea. It's so much easier than sitting and like washing your brushes. You can have them washed in seconds. These are available on Amazon, so I'll link them down below along with everything else that I mentioned in this video, and I'll also link my top and my makeup and everything as well in case you're interested. So St. Moriz have a couple of new launches, and can we just appreciate this PR package? It's got little lights in. I mean, I could have arranged this better, but hey, I just wanted to show you the lights because I'm a fan. I appreciate little details like that. So first up, we've got their Tan and Protect Cream. This is SPF 30. So this is a tan developer, and it's moisture rich, non-greasy, provides even coverage, and it protects against UVA and UVB rays. I actually haven't used a gradual tan in years, but what I used to do was I would use actual fake tan, and then in the days in between I would use a gradual tan, and I don't know why I've stopped doing that, because it is a great hack to just keep your tan looking all fresh and lovely. So thank you for this. I'll definitely be giving it a try. So they also have their Golden Glow Tanning Moisturiser, and this is an everyday moisturiser that gives you a subtle colour, which is lovely. Also very excited to try this out. And then we have this tan boosting facial serum, which excites me as well because I usually just put my fake tan on my face, and there's only a couple of brands I can actually do that with where they don't break me out. One of them being St. Moriz. So I am excited to try this out because I don't have any tan that's specifically just for my face, and I do like the idea of it. It's probably better than putting tan that's for your body onto your face, although I find that fine and I've got reactive skin. But it says, add this illuminating self-tan booster to your moisturiser for radiantly glowing skin. Lovely, I shall do that. Oh, this is what I need. They've come out with a tan remover. Right, okay, so sometimes I find that because I wear tan a lot, I'm actually not wearing it today, I find exfoliating just kind of irritates my skin a bit. That's actually why I'm not wearing tan today. My neck gets quite dry if I exfoliate a lot, and it's really dry at the minute, and then putting tan on top of it just does not look cute. So I'm excited to try this tan remover. It says pump self-tan remover mousse into the palm of your hand, apply liberally onto dry skin, leave on your skin for at least 5 minutes while it works its magic, and then use a wet cloth to gently wipe and rinse your tan away in a warm shower. And that is supposed to exfoliate you and get you ready for your new tan. Next up, I've got a couple of new products from Nivea. The first being this luxurious shower silk mousse, and this is in the lemon meringue scent. I personally love fruity shower gels, and I love shower mousses. Is this what I think it is? Like one of those foams? Whoa. Yes, it is. Oh, that smells so nice. That's not too citrusy as well. It's quite green smelling. Very fresh. I really, really like that. I'm going to have to go and wash that off now. But I absolutely love shower foams and mousses. I don't know, it's a bit of fun in the shower, isn't it? And obviously it's got all the benefits of Nivea skincare in there as well. So these are limited edition. There's this scent, and there's also rhubarb raspberry, which sounds amazing. They've also brought out this micellar Skin Breathe oil-free micellar gel. I've never tried a micellar gel, although I use micellar waters all the time, and this is supposed to remove eye makeup and just all of your makeup basically. It's supposed to get rid of it all. Some cleansers just don't cut the biscuit when it comes to removing eye makeup, but I always find that micellar waters work for me. And it also says that it leaves 0% residue, which again is something that I like. I can't be on with like oily residues and stuff. I really dislike that. So yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. And they've also brought out their normal micellar water in a handy travel size. So this is 100ml. You can take it on a plane with you, and I just think that's great. I love things that come in travel sizes. They're just so handy. And again, this leaves 0 residue, and it's for sensitive skin as well. And that's everything. Let me know if you've tried any of these products yourself and what you think, and be sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, guys. It helps me out a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.